Is this you? Constantly working in hot environments? Exhausted with no easy way to get cool? You've tried drinking more water and standing in the shade. What if you can bring a cool breeze with you while you're working? Now that cool breeze can follow you anywhere. With our personal evaporative cooling device, now you control the weather. Our unique wearable cooling technology gives you your own atmosphere. Simply don the vest and twist the control knob to adjust the cooling power. Feel 2 high-power blowing fans energize and the refreshing air rush all around you. Still feeling a little warm? This device features an automatic misting function that varies with the fan speed. Just fill it with water. Feel the power of evaporative cooling for up to 4 hours on a single charge. Don't get beat by the heat. Take control with the HACI Cooling Vest. Now available at most retailers.
The harmless convection invention is not available at most retailers and is limited to the prototyping stage. HACI Incorporated does not take any responsibility for any injuries while using HACI Cooling Vest.